Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, Premium Club YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how do I get 20 orders on Fiverr in just one day. Yes guys, you heard right, I get 20 orders in just one day on Fiverr.com. In this video I am going to show you everything on live screen guys. I will actually open my Fiverr account. I will show you how do I get 20 orders in just one day. So you can follow the exact same method and start getting 20 plus order on daily basis on Fiverr.com. Believe me guys, once you start getting this much amount of order on Fiverr, you will start making thousands and thousands of dollars online on Fiverr.com. So guys, if you are interested to make lots of money online and start getting 20 plus order on Fiverr, then please watch my this video till the end. Without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, before I start this video, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Here you will find quality content about social media marketing, make money online, freelancing work and everything in between. Guys, the beauty of my channel is I only make video on that topic which I personally follow and make money online. So for the quality content guys, please do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Believe me guys, the value you will find here on this channel you will not find anywhere else. So for the quality content guys, please do subscribe my channel. And guys, this video is going to be a tutorial based video. In this video I will show you step by step on live screen how you can get 20 plus order on daily basis. So guys, please try to watch this video till the end and do not miss any part of this video. In this video I will only talk about the topic guys. I will not do any types of personal talk. I will not say what do I eat, where do I live. No guys, I will only talk about the video topic. So please try to watch this video till the end. So now let me show you my Fiverr profile, how many orders I receive in last 24 hours. So guys, here I open my Fiverr account in my smartphone. In my Fiverr application you can see I have 22 orders in queue right now. And now let me open my notification tab, so you can see that how many orders I receive in last 24 hours. You can see guys, the last order I received 3 hours ago, and from that you can see guys I have so many orders in queue. You can see guys I have so many order notification. And guys, honestly guys, I received 13 orders in last 24 hours. And guys, I have 3 orders in which buyer do not submit their requirements, so they are not showing here. Honestly guys, I received 16 orders in last 19 hours. I hope I will receive more 4 orders in next 3 hours. So guys, now let me show you how do I receive this much order on my Fiverr profile. So you can follow the exact same method and start getting this much order to your account as well. Guys, in this video I will share some method which I personally follow to get more and more orders on Fiverr. And guys, the first way to get more and more orders on Fiverr is Fiverr itself. Let me open Fiverr in incognito mode so I can show you everything better. I just open Fiverr in incognito mode, and first let me convert money into the dollar so you can understand everything better. I'm just going to convert my money into the dollar. So here I just click on US dollar. So guys, as I told you before, the best way to get more and more orders on Fiverr is Fiverr itself. You have to do best Fiverr gig SEO. So you will rank at the first page of Fiverr and you will get order from Fiverr itself. Yes guys, Fiverr will promote your gig if you do right gig SEO. I have made so many videos on this topic, but still I am going to cover this in this video as well. So guys, how you can rank your gig at the first page of Fiverr is, suppose you are providing this service on Fiverr, podcast cover design. I just search this keyword into the Fiverr search bar, and you can see guys Fiverr is showing some services. So I'm going to open some random services here which is at the first page of Fiverr. So you can see guys, once you search any keyword here on Fiverr related to your niche, Fiverr will show some suggested keyword. These are the keyword buyer are searching, who are searching for podcast cover design. So guys, what you have to do is you have to cover all this keyword into the video title. So you can see guys, here I open some gig which is at the first page. Let me copy all this text here. I just copy all this text in notepad file. You can see guys, I just copy all this title here, and you can see guys, you will see all this keyword here in this video title. You can see in this gig title, first keyword is podcast cover art. You can see podcast cover art, podcast cover art, podcast cover art. Everybody add this keyword here. You can see, guys, other keyword is podcast art. You can see here it is podcast art. Other one is podcast cover art design. You can see podcast cover design and art is here. You can see, guys. So you have to do the same work as well. You have to add all the suggested keyword into the video title, and within a few days, guys, you will be at the first page of Fiverr. But still, guys, so many people contact me that they are not receiving order even they are at the first page of Fiverr. Guys, the reason behind is you have to design awesome gig profile, gig image. Suppose your buyer come here on Fiverr and search related to your service, and they will see all this gig. So guys, you have to stand out from all of this gig, and the best way to do this is you have to design best gig profile, best gig image. So guys, once you do this, you will get more and more clicks, and you will get more and more orders as well. So guys, first is you have to rank gig at the first page of Fiverr, and you have to design best gig image, so people click on your gig and purchase your gig as well. And you also have to try to write gig description. Yes guys, you have to be very clear in your gig description, and you have to describe everything about your service in your gig description. So guys, if you do this, believe me guys, you will start getting order on your gig as fast as possible. So guys, the first method is you have to rank gig at the first page of Fiverr. Now let me show you other method which I follow, and you can follow as well. So guys, other way is you have to go on Quora.com. Yes guys, this is the website on which people are search some queries on any topic. Let me open my student Fiverr profile, which is Impressive Emu. It is one of my student profile, and you can see he start getting order on his gig as well. So let me open this gig, which is about YouTube SEO. So guys, what you have to do is you have to come on Quora, and you have to search related to your gig here on Quora.com. I search YouTube SEO. You have to do the same work as well. You have to search on Quora related to your keyword. So here you can see guys, so many people have asked question about YouTube SEO. So I'm just going to open this question here. So you have to do the same work as well. You have to open question into your tab, and you have to write answer on this topic. But if you don't have any idea, then what you can do is you can open design article. This is the website guys you can use to get some free article. Here I just come on this website, and I search YouTube SEO. And guys, you can open any article, and you can copy some text here. I have already copied some text, so let me add my reply. So guys, here I come on this post, and I'm just going to click on answer button, and I'm going to paste my article. And guys, what you can do is you can write like this: for quality YouTube SEO services, you can check this profile. And you have to copy your gig link. I just copy it. You have to do the same work as well. I just copied this article. I just copied this gig link. You have to click on add link button, and you have to add it here. You can see. But guys, please don't make spam with this method. you can only do one comment in 24 hours. And I'm just going to click on submit button. You can see, guys. So this is the other method which I follow, so and you can follow as well to get more and more orders. This is much better and much targeted instead of posting in a random Facebook group. So I would highly recommend you to do this, but as I told you before, please do not make spam with this method. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, guys, please feel free to ask me. And guys, if you want to make $10,000 in 3 months from Fiverr, I would highly recommend you to check out my Fiverr course, which you will find first link in the description. Here with this course, I will show you how you can rank your gig at the first page of Fiverr in just 3 days. I will share some different method with my course, some more easy method to rank gig at the first page of Fiverr in 3 days. And I will also show you how you can get your first order within a week. Plus I will also show you how you can make $100 per day without having any skill as well. And guys, most important part is I will give you my lifetime support with my course. You can ask me your question here on my Facebook group, and I will reply to you within 24 hours. So guys, please do check my course. And also guys, if you have any question, guys, about this video, please feel free to ask me. I would love to help you. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then please don't forget to give me a like and share your best comment as well. Please stay safe, stay home. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.